This dance is called Rhythm and Rain. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some side touches. So you're going to step your right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Now that left is literally just resting there is no weight on that left foot. That means I can move off on that left foot, so go into another side touch, so we step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. So again, like with the left, there is no weight on this right foot. It is just resting there. Into a slow chassé to the right. So we're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right to the side, and touch that left beside the right. That set of steps once more, then side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. We're going to repeat that set of steps, but going to the left. So that left foot is in the touch position, so we can actually start off on that left, stepping the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Slow chassé to the left, step the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, touch that right beside the left. That last set of steps once more then, side touches off on that left. 7, 8, side, touch, close, side, touch. Add those two sections together. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, close, side, touch. Side, touch, close, side, touch. We're now going to walk forwards. So again, that right is in that touch position, so we move forward on that right foot. So we walk forward, right, point to the left, out to the side. So again, there is no weight on that foot, it is literally just resting there, pointing in that left direction. So we're now going to move off on that left, walking backwards. So we go back left, right, left, and we point the right out to the side. That set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, point, back, point. Add that to the top. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, close, side, touch, close, side, touch. Walk, point, back, point. Step forward on that right and pivot yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left. So you're going to put your weight on the toes of your feet, the balls of your feet, and you're going to turn yourself around 1/8. So you're going to be facing the corner. Your weight then goes back onto what we class as your pivot foot, which is that inner foot, in this case, the left. So the opposite foot to the one you step forward on. And you're going to repeat that. So you're going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself 1/8 of the turn to the left. So you're now facing the side wall, the weight is back on that inner pivot foot, the left foot. Then we're going to add on a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross that right over the left, step back on the left, step the right foot to the side, cross that left over the right. It's your jazz box with a cross. That set of steps once more then. Those 1/8 pivots off on that right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. It is the end of the dance when you get to that point, so let's put it all together. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. So that is your dance. Now the music is a bit faster than what we have just walked that through. So what we are going to do is we're going to redo the front wall. We will speed it up a little bit and then we will continue to go around the other 3 walls because it is a 4-wall dance. So you get to see what the other 3 walls are like, how they join together, and we will continue to speed it up just a bit as we go around those other walls. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side touch, side close, side touch. Side touch, side touch, side close, side touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, side, close, side, touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Hopefully you managed to keep up with all of those walls. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side touch, side close, side touch. Side touch, side close, side touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. Side touch, side close, side touch. Side touch, side close, side touch. Walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side touch, side close, side touch, side close, side touch, walk, walk, point, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side touch, side close, side touch, side touch, side close, side touch. Walk, push, back, 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 point, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, side touches. Side touch. Walks. Pivots. Side touch. Side touch. Walks. Pivots. Side touch. Side touch. Walks. Pivots. Side touch. Side touch. Walks. Pivots. Hope you managed that one.